Hi guys, today we'll be making a leaf crown out of leaves and sticks. So for this you'll need apple leaves or orange leaves, leaves that can stand up, and you will need sticks. Don't get sticks that are like too fat, only thin sticks will do.
Yeah.
Okay, let's make it. First, your sticks need to be in little parts, so you can hook them onto your leaves. What you're supposed to do now is get 2 leaves and put them on top of each other. Now get a stick and thread it through your 2 leaves. Like this. Once you have done that, get a 3rd leaf and thread it through your 2nd leaf. Keep on going until you have finished your collection of leaves. Keep on going. Voila! You have finished your leaf crown. Make sure it is long enough to fit your head. Once you have finished measuring it, you can hook it on to finish off with another stick. Now you are done your crown and it's ready to play with. Now that you have finished, you can decorate it with flowers to make it look pretty. And that's it. Now you have made a beautiful leaf, stick, and flower crown. Goodbye. See you next time.